Meta beats earnings or at least cooks the books well enough. Apple and Amazon will be good as well. If Meta's bad, it says nothing about Apple and Amazon. It might say something about Google. I think if Meta's going to miss on anything, it's going to be ad revenue. We have that and the fact that they're blowing all of their free cash flow on a useless technology. Interest rates haven't affected earnings yet. Yes, they have. Explain the FOMC like I wasn't paying attention. Powell had a fat stack of calls. Fubo about to beat Bobby's price? Maybe. Close. Very close. Couple cents off. Ding ding. The day is done. Well, that was exciting. So, that was fun. Pressure stayed pretty elevated in the close. We know they didn't have any real liquidity left on GME or Upstart into the end of the day. That may not be true tomorrow morning. So hopefully everyone got a good opportunity to take advantage of this. We'll keep an eye on pre-market liquidity and see where that puts us into the morning trading session. I will say, if we don't see a lot of liquidity generated, we might be starting to see a flip in their positions, but it's very slow on GME still. Upstart, a lot more pressure, obviously less liquidity available, a significantly larger amount of the free float, so short, and a significantly smaller free float. So Upstart's ability to stabilize in higher price ranges is significantly stronger, and it's more exposed to active fund pressure, even though it's part of fewer actual active funds. Fubo had a very good day as well. I should highlight that. It's pushed up enough above the $22.50 puts that they are near the brink of capitulation. An open even higher may see them close. If they do, that's going to be a very significant amount of the market maker's hedge shed and could easily catapult us through the much weaker $3 level. At which point, Fubo may begin to realize liquidity in much the same way that we've seen on several of the other sort of odd basket stocks over the week. Upstart and GME are still kind of a little far away from those strikes. They're still fighting really hard for those. SPX moved up, holding 41.20 into close today. Well, just below 41.20 into close today. I would expect that we could see futures continue to move up overnight, and then don't be surprised if it dumps fairly hard in the morning. I would say 30 to 40 BPS easily, maybe more. Generally, these extremely overbought moves require a great deal of repositioning afterwards, and as far as I know, the JPM collar is still in place, so we're very rooted on the downside to that 40.65 strike, and we can fall back to it without a lot of pressure. So instability in the morning. VIX is low, which is a good sign. Hopefully that continues to grind down and we open tomorrow with an even lower VIX. Other than that, everything else looks pretty decent. It was a nice push up. Good opportunity to reposition. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much all for tuning in. I won't be here first thing tomorrow morning, but I will be here towards the early afternoon. I will have the stream up and running. I will try to get the daily DD pushed out before I leave in the morning. And I'll see you guys then. Have a great night.